Are you among the 65% of Americans determined to improve your financial habits this year? In today's fast-paced world, many of us face the ongoing challenge of feeling unprepared for the future, while our monthly budgets are routinely exceeded and our financial goals remain elusive. Imagine a life where every dollar is purposefully spent and every savings decision secures your future, a life within your reach if you take action now. Every day, we make decisions that affect our financial security. Although 74% of Americans set monthly budgets, many of us find that unexpected expenses and impulse purchases quickly derail our plans. Consider the fact that 84% admit to overspending, relying on credit to fill the gap. The journey toward a secure financial future begins with a clear awareness of these challenges and a commitment to change. In this moment, you have an opportunity to confront that gap head-on. Picture yourself at the starting line, armed with practical strategies that target the everyday habits risking your financial future. With budgeting, saving, and investing as your core tools, you can reclaim control over your financial destiny. Today, we will navigate through the process of identifying problem areas, implementing strategic solutions, and ultimately transforming your approach to money management. This transformation starts with acknowledging that every financial decision matters. It is no secret that financial stress keeps nearly half of Americans awake at night. With almost 4 hours spent daily worrying about money and unexpected expenses leaving many feeling vulnerable, cultivating good habits becomes not just important but essential. The conflict is clear. Our current practices, riddled with overspending and emotional decision-making, stand in stark contrast with the secure, planned future we all desire. How do we turn the tide on fear and uncertainty in our financial lives? The answer lies in a disciplined approach to budgeting. Start by listing your income and essential expenses. Trim the unnecessary and allocate a dedicated sum for savings and investment. These small, deliberate actions create a positive shift, empowering you to take control. Develop a realistic budget and stick to it without compromise. Track every cent spent. Monitor progress consistently. Simple actions can lead to major changes. Next comes saving, your shield in times of crisis. With nearly half of Americans feeling that their financial situation is slipping, establishing an emergency fund is not optional, it is mandatory. Aim to carve out a portion of every paycheck and protect yourself from unforeseen expenses. Saving is more than a precaution. It is a foundation for growing wealth and securing your future. Every dollar saved brings you a step closer to financial independence. Then, consider investing as a tool for future growth. You might have heard that the estimated magic number of $1.26 million is needed for a comfortable retirement in 2025, yet many remain unprepared. Investing wisely today means creating a cushion that grows over time. Diversify your portfolio, seek advice when necessary, and explore multiple investment opportunities. Embrace the discipline that turns modest beginnings into significant results. Imagine the turning point where your financial habits evolve from reactive to proactive behavior. The clutter of debt and impulsive spending can be replaced with structured planning and intentional saving. Clear, manageable steps now lead to a stress-free future, reducing the anxiety that has long haunted your financial decisions. This is a journey of empowerment, changing the story from one of financial overwhelm to one of steady progress and control. You have the power to shape your destiny. Much like those who have taken that brave first step, your future rests on decisions made today. Every planned expense, every saved dollar, and every smart investment builds toward a secure tomorrow. The conflict between overspending and smart planning dissolves as you develop habits that support the life you envision. Now is the time to act. Take the first step towards financial security by creating a comprehensive plan today. Your future is waiting, a future where budgeting, saving, and investing harmonize to grant true financial freedom. Seize it now. Take control. Secure your future.